The biggest mistake caterers make on Instagram stories. Are you using Instagram stories just to share random snapshots of your events or dishes? If so, you might be missing out on a golden opportunity to drive real business results. Here's a smarter way to use Instagram stories. Focus each story on a specific service you offer, like a meal prep. Start by sharing engaging clips highlighting benefits like saving time and promoting healthy eating habits. Show behind the scenes footage of how you prepare these meals and what makes your service the best in the area. Then make the magic happen. Use the third or fourth slide in your story sequence to include a compelling call to action with a link directly to your meal prep service page on your website. For example, your CTA could be order your meal preps here. This direct approach not only educates your audience about your service, but also guides them smoothly to take action right when their interest is piqued. Start using Instagram stories correctly and watch your catering orders roll in. Follow me for more tips like this.